We just got finished seeing the Grand Prismatic Springs, and we are headed back to Old Faithful to watch the Grand Geyser, and it's raining pretty good right now. We're getting a shower, but it feels good to me.
It does feel good and cold, but
It hits pretty hard.
if it lasts very long, I'm going to stop and get my rain gear on.
Well, it shouldn't take long to get back to Old Faithful.
What's this guy doing up here?
These people. We sat in line to get a parking spot for about 20 minutes, I guess.
Hey, my windshield's getting washed off.
That's why the water's not cold. All the hot water's going into it.
Because I think it would be more effort. Minuscule flying.
See it percolating.
Crystal blue.
It's 36,000 gallons per hour.
I think it just kind of. Yeah, I don't think it's like the other one. It's going right now.
Looking at it up there. Into the water.
那个船上挺好，再美的照片也没有眼睛看的美，所以我眼睛看的。
I wonder how you get up there.